Simon says it's time for another episode of Literacy Lunch. We have such a fun activity to play with you guys today, so hang tight to see what it is. This super fun alphabet movement activity is a great way for students to work on their letter recognition as well as remember their sounds. It's so fun because it makes students stay focused, get them up and moving, and keeps them engaged. If you are new here, go ahead and take a look at our channel for more fun tips and tricks on things to do with your student. Don't forget to subscribe so you know when a new one is released. For this activity, you're going to need two things. First, a black marker, and second, index cards. To start the activity, write a letter on each index card. Then, place the cards on a large surface face up so your student can grab them easily. You can start by putting them in alphabetical order and then mix them up as you go. This game is best played in a small group or one-on-one setting. One person is the designated Simon calling out instructions, while the other players are acting out the actions. For example, if Simon says, touch the letter M, the students will touch the letter M. If Simon says, touch the letter M, and students touch the letter M, they are now out. Remember, Simon has to say, Simon says. Here are a few examples of some instructions Simon can call out. Simon says, jump up and down holding the letter J. Simon says, hop on one foot holding the letter T. Simon says, hop on the other foot holding the letter B. Now smack the letter K. Uh-oh, I didn't say Simon says. As the student's knowledge grows, the amount of letters used in the game could grow as well. If you need some more ideas, there's a sample script located in the blog post in the description below. So what did your student think of this activity? Did they like it? Did they not like it? Let us know on social media or in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel below for more super fun activities that you can do with your student. Thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Literacy Lunch, and I'll catch you next time.